Celebrating a life well lived, the enduring legacy of Pa Alexander Ikechukwu Emesim. In a world where true service and humility are becoming rare, the life of Pa Nwachinemelu Alexander Ikechukwu Emesim stands as a shining example of dedication to God, commitment to family values, and selfless community services. Born on January 7, 1941 in Ukpor town, Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State, to the late Chief Ezane Richard Ibaduamo Emesim, Onye Zubokwe, and Mrs. Christiana Emesim. Pa Emesim's early years were marked by discipline and passion for excellence. He began his educational journey at Salvation Army School, Ukpor, where he completed his Standard 6 with distinction, an early sign of the commitment that would define his life. Driven by the desire for growth and better opportunities, he moved to Nnewi, where he apprenticed under Mr. Okoli Photos of Utu. Through hard work and dedication, he mastered the art of photography and went on to establish Alexo the Cardinal Photos along Nobi Road. His work not only earned him a livelihood, but also the respect and admiration of many within and beyond his community. In 1972, he married the love of his life, Mrs. Eunice Nnonwa Emesim Ni Okoye. Their union was blessed with 7 children, forming a family rooted in love, discipline, and shared values. Beyond his professional life, Pa Alexander Ikechukwu Emesim was deeply committed to community service. He held several key positions, including Secretary of Ikenga Social Club, Secretary of Ugo Social Club, Chairman of the Bread Sellers Community, Chief Security Officer of Omatha Holdings, Grand Patron of the Ukpor Nnewi Improvement Union, Nnewi Branch, and Financial Secretary of his kindred. In every role, he demonstrated integrity with a deep sense of responsibility and a genuine passion for collective progress. A devout Christian and faithful member of the Anglican Church, Pa Emesim lived a life anchored in faith. Even in his final moments, he found peace in singing hymns, a reflection of his lifelong devotion to God, with Abo 184, which is very dear to his heart. He is survived by his beloved wife, children, and grandchildren, who carry forward the legacy of love, strength, and service. Among them are Mrs. Nonye Okonkwo, Chief Ima Emesim, Mrs. Ifeyinwa Ikejako, Honorable Ezenwa Emesim, Ekene Okafor, Mrs. Nkechi Azobogo, and Chief Evans Izuchukwu Emesim, Okwumereze of Ukpor Kingdom, the founder of Akuluno, United Brothers Association, and other prominent social clubs in the southeast. Pa Alexander Ikechukwu Emesim will be remembered not just for the years he lived, but for the lives he touched. This news talk is written by Njoko MacDonald Obina, media consultant, newspaper columnist, public analyst, PR expert, and publisher, Fourth Estate Reporters.